Good day, everyone. We are here to present our topic, System Integration and Security Architecture for Pampanga State Agricultural University. Ako po si Gab, and kasama ko po ang aking team members. Later, iisa-isahin namin kung paano nag-work ang integration and architecture sa system at bakit ito mahalaga sa organizations. Let me introduce myself first. Ako po si Gab. Kasama ko rin dito sina Andre, Archie, and Dan na tumulong sa paggawa ng concept, diagram at documentation. As a team, nag-collaborate kami para mabuo ang presentation na ito. Introduction. Ang goal ng project namin ay mag-integrate ng tatlong major systems ng PSA, enrollment, finance, at library. Kailangan namin ng solution na seamless, scalable, at secure para makasabay sa growing digital needs ng university. Para dito, sa approach, pinili namin ang API-based integration with middleware. Specifically, gamit gumamit kami ng RabbitMQ at API Gateway. Bakit? Ito ang pinili namin. First, flexible. Madaling mag-adapt kung may bagong system na kailangan i-connect. The second is scalable. Kaya niyang mag-handle ng dumaraming users at data volume. And last is secure. Dahil maka-apply ang strong security principles sa bawat layer ng system. Kung ikukumpara sa ibang approaches, yung vertical integration ay rigid at hirap i-expand. Yung horizontal ESB naman, sobrang bigat at komplikado i-manage. Samantalang itong API-based with middleware ay mas modern, lightweight, at mas madaling i-maintain. In short, ito ang pinaka-fit na solution para makapag-set ng foundation ng digital platform ng PSA, supporting both academic at administrative process.
So before diving into the architecture, let's highlight the main points to remember. So for our first one, our chosen integration, which is API-based with middleware. This method ensures that system can talk to each other without being tightly coupled, no? Or without it being independent sa isa't isa. Like, kunwari down na yung isa, the whole system is down na rin, no? So ang system natin is para siyang modular. And it makes maintenance easier kasi if kunwari po, yung isang system is being updated like yung enrollment system may na-update or may maintenance, di po madadama yung finance and yung library system natin. And isang malaking advantage po yun over the older integration approaches. And the users of the system. Or the first one, we have the students. Sila po yung mag-enroll, yung magbabayad ng tuition, and pwede nila kaya nilang gawin na i-access yung library natin. Then, the faculty. Sila po yung manage ng academic records ng students, and yung sa courses po sila rin mag-manage. Then, next one, have the admin staff. Bale, sila yung nag-oversee sa lahat ng operations ng system natin. So, if kung magtatanong ka man, ang pinaka-best option mo is magtanong sa admin kasi sila yung nakakaalam talaga ng system natin overall. Then, the last one, we have the finance staff, no? Sila po yung nag-process ng tuition. If magbabayad yung students, saan nila pupunta. And sila rin yung mag-i-issue ng mga resibo natin. And the next one, ito po yung system architecture natin. Kung titignan po natin yung system diagram natin, nakita natin kung paano nag-interact ng mga users na to. From the top, they don't connect directly to the subsystems, and instead, they pass through security controls like, nakita natin, firewall, authentication, and encryption. Then, after dumaan sa security, pumunta naman siya sa integration layer, no? Ito natin makikita yung API gateway, yung RabbitMQ, and the service registry. So, this integration layer po, it serves as a bridge or tulay sa mga subsystem natin. And yung structure po natin is designed to provide both convenience for the users and protection for the university's data. So, protect natin yung data ng university para hindi siya madali ma-atake ng hackers or di malilik yung mga data ng students natin.
The most important part of our design in the security layer, we apply two security principles, the best in depth and zero trust. The best in depth, this means we use multiple protective layers such as a firewall to filter unwanted traffic, authentication method like MFA and RBAC, and encryption to protect data in transit. Even one layer is compromised, the other will still safeguard the system. Zero trust. In this principle, no one is trusted automatically. Like not even internal requests. Every action must be verified, authenticated, and authorized before it's granted access. Together, these two principles ensure that BSAU data remains safe and protected from internal and external threats. Next one is the integration layer. Next in this integration layer is this where the main communication happens. The API gateways act as a single safeguards entry point. It manages all requests from user, applies security rules, and routes them properly. RabbitMQ. Our chosen middleware makes sure that communication between system and reliability and it queues a different message so no one lost even one system is temporarily unavailable. Lastly, the service registry keeps tracks all the service so the system always knows which services are active and available. This design makes the integration layer both organized and secure. University subsystem. Below integration layer are the three main subsystems. The enrollment system handles student registration schedule and academic weeks. And the finance and billing system processing tuition, connects to payment gateways and issue receipts. And lastly, the library management system manages the book catalog, borrowing, and student access. This subsystem remains independent, but through our integration layer, they can seamlessly exchange data. For example, once a student pays tuition, the enrollment system is updated automatically and the library access is enabled.
At the bottom of our architecture, we have the data layer. This includes a data warehouse which consolidates information from enrollment, finance, and library into one central storage. This ensures data consistency and provides a single source of truth for the university. Alongside these reporting services, generate insights such as enrollment trends, financial reports, and library usage statistics. These supports help administration make data-driven decisions for better planning and management. For our conclusion, to conclude, our proposed system integrates PSAU, enrollment finance, and library system. Subsystem using an API-based approach is RabbitMQ and an API gateway. By applying defense in depth and zero trust, we ensure that the system is not only efficient and reliable, but also highly secure against threats. This integration supports both academic services for students and operational efficiency for staff and administration. That's all now. Thank you.